Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the theories of reaction rate. There are important main two theory. One is collision theory, other one is transition state theory. First we are going to discuss about the collision theory. In the collision theory, there are some assumptions there. Well, the first one is that according to this theory, reaction is taking place only when they are in contact. That means it is reasonable to suppose that the reactant species must collide before they react. And in this collision theory, the molecules are considered as a hard sphere. And the rate of reaction depends upon collision frequency and a fraction of effective collision. Treatment of this kinetic theory were based on the expression for collision number Z. We know that collision number is the total number of collisions per unit time and per unit volume. For a gas containing only one type of a molecule, A, collision number is given by ZA is equal to 1 by 2 into root 2 pi d square mu u bar Na square, where Na is the number of molecules per unit volume and D is the molecular diameter and u bar is the mean molecular speed given by the kinetic theory to be. That is, the u bar, the mean molecular speed is given by is equal to 8 kT by pi m raised to half, where m is the molecular mass. And introduce this value of this mean molecular speed into the equation 1. Then ZA is equal to 2 d square into Na square pi kT by m raised to half. This quantity is known as collision number. Its Na unit is m raised to minus t s raised to minus 1. Corresponding expression for the collision number. Here first we are considering about the only one type of a gaseous molecule is there. If there are two types of gaseous molecule, then it will be like ZAB. Then the masses of this molecule is considered as a mass Ma and Mb. So ZAB will be equal to NAB into NB, Na into NB into D square whole bracket 8 pi square kT into Ma plus Mb by Ma Mb raised to half. The distance D is now the mean molecular diameter or sum of the radii. That means the distance between the centers of A and B when the reactions occurs. Okay. So the reduced mass mu can be written as Ma Mb divided by Ma plus Mb. So the above equation here, this is substituted by the reduced mass mu. Then we can written as this equation as ZAB is equal to Na Nb d square 8 pi kT by mu raised to half. And also according to the hard sphere collision theory by Lewis and Rhodes, collision number multiplied by the Arrhenius factor. What is Arrhenius factor? E raised to minus E by RT gives the rate of formation of the product of the reaction in terms of number of molecules formed per unit volume and per unit time. According to this hard sphere collision theory, what is saying that this Arrhenius factor multiplying by the collision number, we will get the rate of a reaction. Okay. In terms of molecules formed per unit volume and per unit time. Thus, for a reaction between two molecules A and B, the rate is expressed as mu is equal to Na into Nb d square 8 pi kT divided by mu raised to half e raised to minus E by RT. Dividing this equation by Na by Nb gives the rate constant in molecular unit. It can be put in a molar units. That is, in the first one it is in molecular unit. By dividing by Na by Nb we will get a rate constant. But if you want to in a molar unit, then it can be multiplied by the Avogadro constant L. So The rate constant K can be written. The first one is the rate of the reaction. Here the rate constant K will be equal to L into D square 8 by KT mu raised to half E raised to minus E by RT. The pre-exponential factor of this equation. This is the exponential value. So pre-exponential value of this equation is called the collision frequency factor and given the symbol ZAB. So this is the collision frequency factor. ZAB is equal to L D square 8 pi KT divided by mu raised to half. Thus the rate constant is expressed as K is equal to ZAB E raised to minus E by RT. And this collision theory is applicable only to simple gaseous reactions. For the reaction between complicated molecules, this observed rate is found to be much smaller than the theoretical predicted rate, sometimes by the factor of 10 raised to 5. This variation shows that simple hard sphere collision theory is not adequate for this chemical reaction. That means this is failing in the case of complicated molecules reaction. This is only applicable to only simple gaseous molecule reaction, because in the case of complicated reaction, the observed rate is seen that very smaller than the theoretical predicted one, that around 10 raised to 5 factor is low. So if two molecules are undergo a chemical reaction, there must be merely collide with a sufficient mutual energy. Why it is happening that change? In the collision theory, it is considering only that the reaction is continue, means the reaction will proceed only when they are in contact. But what will happen in what will happen means they must be come together. The mutual orientation, there should be some mutual orientation that is necessary for the bond breaks and bond made. Simple kinetic theory is count only the sufficient energy collision as an effective one. But in reality, what will happen? Molecules may not approach each other in a right way. So for the reaction should occur only if there is a mutual orientation, then only the reaction bond will broken and a bond will made. But in simple kinetic collision theory, it is considering only the mutual contact of these molecules. So that's why that, or in reality, that factor is decreasing, but theoretical value is higher than the reality one. For this, for remedy this means, so for one way of remedy of this situation is to introduce some new factor, that is new pre-exponential factor, that is a steric factor, to represent the fraction of total number of collisions that are effective from the orientation point of view. So the rate constant can be written as K is equal to P into ZAB E raised to minus E by RT. This procedure is an improvement in some way, but the evaluation of P cannot be done in satisfactory manner. Moreover, the factors other than orientations are involved. Again, they cannot be estimated easily. Aside from this difficulty, these are some other difficulty, and we can say any other difficulty of simple collision theory is that fundamental weakness of this simple hard sphere collision theory is that it is not consistent with the fact that the equilibrium ratio of the rate constant in the forward and backward direction is the equilibrium constant is direction. So if the reactance rate constant is the two directions are formulated, rate constant is formulated in two direction, that will be K1 will be is equal to C, K minus will be, the ratio will be is equal to, that ratio will be the equilibrium constant. Those are, that will be here, this expression however lacks the entropy term that should appear in the expression for the equilibrium constant. In this term, we can see that it is a lack of entropy term, that is Kc In the case of equilibrium constant, it is that Kc is equal to e raised to delta 0 by R is defined as delta H by RT. So Lammer, another scientist, Lammer tried to remedy this deficiency by introducing an entropy term into the kinetic theory expression. Here delta S and delta H are the standard entropy and enthalpy change in the rate. Thank you.